is on you.
Excellent. Get ready. Head on a swivel, folks.
All right, Gary, you gonna kick us off?
Yeah, so everyone, eyes on me. Everything, eyes on the plane.
And hands right here. Hands right here.
And hands up. Okay, this couple nose dives.
And it may land here.
It may land, or it may land over there.
Downfall over there. Maybe in this region.
But here we go. We're gonna give it all we got.
Farthest distance. Well, actually, the least distance.
You got your lights
It's
set.
like
We're
on
going
your
to mark the
perfect
spot. We're going to mark the spot as soon as
So here we
got
go.
your-
Everyone again. Eyes on the purple plane.
But mainly this section in rehearsals. This is kind of
Here we go. 3, 2,
Come on, baby.
One.
Be true.
That was
Someone hit your wife.
I just hit Ty's wife.
Hi, Bethany. Good to see you. She went to watch Tom Baptist. Anybody watch Tom Baptist?
Here's where you mark the spot.
Yeah, that's gonna be me.
That is not too hard
I'm
to beat.
gonna take a sheet right here with you guys.
That was an aggressive lady.
Oh my goodness. I hope we got to a very roll crash.
Come on, Bart.
All right, I'm gonna channel my inner Top Gun.
Go for it.
Here we go.
Just gotta go.
Mark it. Mark it.
You're moving on.
I'm moving on officially. It doesn't feel like I'm moving on with that crash, but I'm moving on. Thank you, thank you.
Okay, keep in mind, farthest crash is safe. So keep it up, coach. You know, I have something I haven't told these guys yet. These last few weeks I've been working on my pilot's license just to be ready for this moment.
Not gonna help.
Well, let's just say I feel really good about it. Ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on the blue. In 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh. Oh, it's coming down. Like a whisk.
Mark it. Mark it.
Fire road.
Everyone, make sure we're okay. We need a thumbs up.
Thumbs up from everybody. We're good.
Okay. Season, get this lady some merch.
Yeah,
Okay.
you got to beat. Don't go lower than Garrett time.
This is the plane where we solve the mystery of flight.
Wait a second.
Yeah.
T. I guess I get two for that.
Believe it or not, that was actually a good one.
Garrett, I apologize. I hate saying this, but you have been eliminated. Two battles down. Y'all been having a good night so far?